No, I'd love to. I'll just kind of touch here real quick. I've known Pete for quite a few years. I was kind of trying to figure that out, how long I've actually known him. And I can't even tell you, but it's been probably 25 years or so. And got a chance to travel with him and stuff. And he was a pretty close friend. One of the low points in my life, and Corey, as you and I were talking about my addiction earlier, when I was kind of in the pretty low part of my life, Pete took me in, and I went and lived with him and Dana and Casey there for a bit, and kind of got dried out and stuff.